Hey guys, this is the Finger Bike channel, and today we're going to be showing you 5 basic tricks on your finger bike. So this is for beginners who are just getting into finger biking, and yeah, let's get started and learn some tricks. So first of all, we're going to do how to hold it. So you're going to take your pointer finger and your thumb and put that on the outside of the handlebars and kind of pinch it between your fingers like that. Then you're going to take your middle finger and your ring finger and put that on either side of the bike, kind of like your legs. So now you've got your arms and your legs, and you can ride your bike around. And yeah, so the first trick is the bunny hop, which is where you go like that, and basically you just pull your front tire up, and you pull your back up with it, and then you can land. So easy trick, probably one of the simplest ones. You just do a little bunny hop. The next one is a wheelie, and that's a really easy one. You just pull your front wheel into the air and ride like that. So you just ride with your front wheel in the air. And one that's like that is the nose manual, which is like this. So basically you're doing a wheelie, instead you're just balancing on your front wheel and you're riding like that. So that's the nose manual. And then another one is the endo. And the endo, basically on a real bike, it'd be where you'd like grab the front brake and you'd go like this. But on a finger bike, you don't have to use the front brake. I mean, there are some front brakes on finger bikes, so you can use that if you want. But all you really need to do is just stop and then just pull your back wheel up like that, and then go, and then you just go like that. So that's how you do the endo. And the last one is a skid. So I kind of made this one up myself. So when you're holding it like this, you have your pinky back here that's just like not really doing anything. But what you can do is you can stop the wheel with your pinky by just you can sort of jam it into right here, like where your back tire is, to stop your back tire. So then when you're on a smooth surface you can be riding, you can just stop it and skid like that. So those are the 5 basic finger bike tricks, and please subscribe. Come back next time for more tricks. See ya.